How to log in Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to log into your Netflix account, first of all make sure that you download the Netflix application and then go ahead and then open it up. And as and when you launch the Netflix app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where if you have your account details saved, you can go ahead and then log in using those accounts. But if you don't have it saved as well, you can just tap the login option. Before that, if you have not created an account, you can tap the get started option, but if you have, just tap the login button there, and then you will be taken to the page where you can enter the email, phone number as well as your password. Once done, you can just tap the sign in option here, and then from there your account will get successfully signed in. Now if you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password option if you'd like to reset those. This way you should be able to log into Netflix account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.